Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017. So let us take a look at the question. If 53 grams of iron is cooled from 100 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, calculate the heat energy lost. Okay, so this goes with a formula. We have the Q, which is the heat energy transfer in joules, equal to the mass of the iron M times the specific heat capacity C times the change in temperature. Okay, good. And since we know that the Q is what we're looking for, fine, we still just rewrite that. Then for the mass of the iron as given in the question is 53 grams, and to convert 53 grams to kilogram, we need to divide that by 1000. So we're going to have 0.53, okay, to be multiplied by the specific heat capacity, which is given here in the question. Let me just quickly rub this off. Alright, so now we have the specific heat capacity of the iron, 4.5 times 10 raised to power 2. Okay, then to be multiplied by the change in temperature. We can see that the temperature went down from 100 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. So it cooled down, and the change is just 100 minus 20, which is 80 degrees Celsius. Alright, good. So now let us go ahead to do the multiplication. So if we punch on our calculator, this is what we're going to arrive at. Let us punch it on our calculator. So now we punch 0.053, okay, times 4.5 times 80. Mind you, I left the 10 raised to power 2 on one side. Okay, so finally we have 19.08 times 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so if we were to leave these in index form, we have Q equals the 0 we move to the left, so that is going to add to the exponential of 10. So we have 10 raised to power 3 joules. Okay, good. So this is our final answer. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.